even know what is chew stick, I want you to Google chew stick. In Jamaica, I used chew stick as a child, right? It was nasty tasting, bitter, but it really cleaned our teeth, really squeaky clean. My teeth were always pretty. People used to say, oh my God, your teeth are so pretty. And I used to feel like a queen, like the queen I am, Queen Cleopatra. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be discussing oral hygiene, mouth care, right? How many people brush their teeth at least twice per day? First thing in the morning and the last thing at night before you go to bed. Okay, so I'm going to take you through the process, give you little tidbits on the ins and outs of brushing your teeth, what to do, what not to do. Before I get into that, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who has been subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting, and the feedback is great. And so I decided that let me just come on here today while I'm brushing my teeth, and you brush your teeth with me too. Okay.
You'll need floss, toothbrush, toothpaste, and Listerine.
So let's get started. Okay, so there are many different brands, types of toothpaste out there, but I want you to know that before the advent of toothpaste, a lot of people used to use many different things to brush their teeth. And one of them was to know what is chew stick. I want you to Google chew stick. In Jamaica, I used chew stick as a child, right? It was nasty tasting, bitter, but it really cleaned our teeth, really squeaky clean. My teeth were always pretty. People used to say, oh my God, your teeth are so pretty. And I used to feel like a queen, like the queen I am, Queen Cleopatra. Today, for myself and my children, we use fluoride-free toothpaste. And this time I'm using the Tom's. This is fluoride-free, and it is the anti-plaque and whitening. Okay, and this is a peppermint that people used to use were ashes. Yeah, you know, the thing that's left over after a fire in the fireplace, the real fireplace, wood fire, coal fire, ashes. People used to use ashes. Some people used to use salt, soap, whatever they could find to brush their teeth. Also, tobacco mixed with honey. You know, when I really realized some of these things, I'm thinking how primitive we were, or people were back then. But all in all, they did find means and ways to brush their teeth. Also, so this is salt. Like I said, they used to use salt, and they used to use lemon juice. So the mere lemon, you cut the lemon juice, right, to brush their teeth. Chalk or charcoal as well. And as I showed you earlier, in this particular brand they also have charcoal. I use it sometimes, but this time it's a peppermint flavor. All right, now, have you brushed your teeth since morning? Right? Have you brushed your teeth since morning? Do you ever floss before you brush your teeth? So it is recommended to floss your teeth before you brush your teeth. It is important. Flossing actually helps you to get rid of plaques and food that are in these places. So what you would do, you would put your floss, whether it's the one that you break off or these ones which are handy, they are more flexible, so to speak, ready done. So I would put my floss in between my teeth, and I would go up and down about 8 or 10 times. Right? Yeah, you have to be gentle, but not too gentle, because you don't want to affect the enamel of your teeth as well. Be careful. Okay, so you go all over. Alright? Okay. Because I have big chunks of food come out sometimes. Yeah. And some people, when they eat, after eating, they would use a toothpick. That's also good, but this is good prior to brushing your teeth. at least take 2 minutes out of your day to brush your teeth. I'm using this toothbrush. Now, you choose the type of toothbrush for you. Some, like older adults, they tend to use like the smaller heads, medium or softer bristles. For me, I don't know, I tend to use the harder bristles, and that's just my choice. But I would recommend go with a milder thistle, because sometimes the firmer thistles, they can, depending on the enamel of your teeth and how strong your teeth are, it may actually cause damage to your teeth. Alright, so I'm using this toothbrush, and as I've shown you the toothpaste that I'm using, so I'm just going to put a little on my toothbrush. Now, if you notice, I'm trying not to make the toothpaste connect with the toothbrush, because remember, we use our toothbrush daily and we never know, right? We never know. Okay, make sure even after you cover your toothpaste. So for me, I always wet my toothbrush first. And here goes. So when you're brushing your teeth, you're going to make sure that you brush on the inside. Like for me, I have some teeth missing, so I have my bridges that I wear, and so I have to make sure that I get into the grooves as well. But the inner portion, the outer portion, and the area that you chew or bite on. Okay, so those are the three major important areas, and this is how I brush my teeth. I more than likely go up down for the front. And then in the corner, I do a circular motion, okay? Anybody timing me? 2 minutes. Like I told you, I have missing teeth. I have to learn how to get into the groove. And I'm on top. I'm on the area where I chew and bite. Might look a bit gross, but you can stop to spit out excess salt or toothpaste out of your mouth and go again, okay? Boy, can I tell you, I never knew that I could have had a tooth decay. And tooth decay is not anything to even try to play around with. It is really, really, really painful. Alright, so I spit out the excess. I wash my toothbrush, and I would put it back into its case. I have something that I use to cover like a cap for the head of the toothbrush, so that, you know, nothing gets inside of it, crawls inside of it, and I put it away. I'm going to wash my mouth with water, clean water, room temperature. My teeth, they are feeling clean, fresh. My mouth feels fresh. Oh, I did that on purpose. Who noticed what didn't happen? Did anyone notice what I didn't do? And it's very, very important. All right. So for those of you who didn't catch it, I did that on purpose to see who was watching, who was following. It's very important. Your tongue is a part of your brushing of your teeth. Okay, so make sure that you brush your tongue properly. Some people, they use a tongue scraper. I don't have one, so I use my toothbrush. And some toothbrush, they are equipped with a tongue scraper on either the back side or somewhere. Okay, like a 2-in-1 bargain. Yeah. All right. Clean, yeah. Tongue is clean, yeah. Alright. So I'm finished with brushing my teeth. Some people use Listerine afterwards. Right away, some people don't. And some people recommend if you're using like a fluoride toothpaste, you would wait a little bit before you use your mouthwash. And also, some people recommend that if you're using a mouthwash, not to eat 30 minutes before or after using your mouthwash. Alright, so this is another process of brushing your teeth for those who uses mouthwash. Okay? So there you have it. Maybe longer than 2 minutes, but it's just to show you the process of brushing your teeth properly. Making sure you spend at least 2 minutes to brush your teeth. You floss before you brush your teeth. When you're brushing your teeth, you make sure you get the inner surface, the outer surface, and the area where you use to chew or bite on, like the bridge, right, on top of your teeth. Make sure you get those areas. And also, make sure to brush your tongue. Don't forget, brushing your teeth has its benefits. It decreases plaque, tartar, and even bad breath. You know, sometimes people come into your space and you be like, or you know, yeah. You don't want anyone to be doing that to you. Thank you. That's very embarrassing. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let me know if you like what you are seeing and if there are any other topics that you'd like for me to discuss or share or demonstrate. I would be more than happy. Thank you for watching. God bless you. She got it from the start again. Watch her heart, it clean like a whistle. Devil over, come on with